I'll be sharing my 8-day solo itinerary to Taiwan. This is Mami Helena and this is my second time visiting Taiwan. Day 1, Clark International Airport. Nag-EVA Airways ako. Landed at Taoyuan Airport, immigration, got my luggage, and played Taiwan Lucky Land. Pick up my SIM card, nag-withdraw sa Bank of Taiwan, Airport MRT to Taipei Main Station. Transferred sa Blue Line ng MRT to Ximen. Nag-check-in sa Tomorrow Hotel, nagala sa Ximending Night Market, na may nasinfutang milk tea, J&G chicken, na may easy card sa 7-Eleven. For Day 2, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, then Taipei 101. Nag-coffee sa Starbucks before heading to Rongjin Gorgeous Time. Shopped at Xinye District and nag-dinner sa Ximending Night Market. Day 3, Longshan Temple, then took a scenic trip to Wulai. And nag-Wulai Tree Cafe nga pala ako. After that, nag-Taipei 101 Observatory naman ako. Buti na lang I book my ticket already sa Klook. So, no need na pumila. Scan na lang the QR code. Sa entrance, they will give you a discount voucher. I used mine and bought Milksha milk tea. For Day 4, Taichung Klook Tour. Ang meet-up place is sa may exit 5 ng Ximen Station. Itinerary, Xiongxue Flower Market, Miyahara, Shanshui Tang Milk Tea, Rainbow Village, Gomei Wetland. You can book this tour via Klook and use my code Mami Helena Klook for discount. Day 5, going to Maokong. I booked the unlimited gondola rides with Taipei Zoo. Nag-crystal cabin gondola ako papunta. Then, bumaba sa Maokong Station. Namili milk tea, ice cream at Guanding Tea House and coin souvenir. Nag-regular cabin ako pabalik para solo. Then, Taipei Zoo. May kasama ng 1 free shuttle ride yung ticket. Take note na maraming lakarin sa zoo. Balik sa hotel, then nag-dinner sa Lao Shandong Noodles sa may Ximending. Sa Day 6 naman, nag-North Coast Klook Tour ako. Pinili ko na mag-tour para mapuntahan ko itong mga lugar na to in one day. Taipei Main Station nga pala ang meet-up. Itinerary, Yellow Geo Park, Jifen Old Street, Sky Lantern in Shifen, Shifen Waterfall. Day 7, nagpunta ako sa Hello Kitty and Maupassant 7-Eleven Team Store sa Taipei. Then Rainbow Street malapit sa Taipei City Hall, then Taipei 101. Nag-hop on, hop off bus din ako na binuko sa Klook and then sa Red House. Last day, nag-grab ako papuntang Taipei Main Station dahil wala pang train ng 4 a.m. Then, nag-bus naman papuntang Taoyuan Airport. Check-in, then bag drop. Then, daan sa duty-free, then wait ng boarding, and then flight to PH. Save this for your future trip. Bye!